In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook yellow triangle with exclamation mark issue. That little yellow warning icon usually means Outlook can't connect to the mail server or it's stuck in offline mode. I'll walk you through clear fixes you can try right now, and I'll explain why each one helps so you know exactly what's happening. Start by opening Outlook on your desktop. Once it's up, head into the app's settings. In settings, open the general section. You're looking for the offline or work offline option. If Outlook is set to work offline, it won't talk to the server and you'll see that yellow triangle. Switch it back so Outlook is online. Give it a few seconds to reconnect and watch for the status to change. Often, this alone clears the warning. If the triangle sticks around, fully restart Outlook to clear any stuck background work. Close Outlook, then open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus S. In the Processes tab, look for any Outlook.exe entries that are still running and end them. This makes sure no hidden process is holding on to a bad connection. Now reopen Outlook and see if your accounts reconnect. Here's an important note. Corrupted login tokens are a major cause of the yellow triangle. When those cached credentials break, Outlook keeps trying to sign in with bad data. To refresh them safely, close Outlook again. Then open your Start menu and search for Credential Manager. Open it, choose Windows Credentials, and look for entries that start with Microsoft Office 16 Data or MS Outlook. Remove those entries. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your account. It just clears outdated sign-in tokens so you can authenticate cleanly. Now relaunch Outlook and sign in when prompted. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, have your device ready. After a successful sign-in, Outlook should reestablish a healthy connection and the triangle should disappear. Finally, if you're using a VPN, disconnect it and test Outlook again. Some VPNs or corporate policies block the specific ports Outlook needs to sync, which can trigger the warning icon even when your internet is fine. With the VPN off, Outlook can reach the mail servers directly. Once everything is working, you can decide whether to keep the VPN disconnected for email or adjust its settings with your IT team. That's it. By checking offline mode, restarting Outlook cleanly, refreshing your Windows credentials, and temporarily disabling VPN, you'll resolve the yellow triangle in most cases. Take your time with each step, and you should be back to a stable, connected Outlook in just a few minutes.